Welcome back to Generation Gains. Whether you're new to investing or just looking for a roadmap to guide you through the wealth building process in 2025, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will be diving deep into some of the best investment opportunities for beginners who want to secure their financial future. We'll break down key strategies, discuss risk management, and highlight the most promising investments available in this exciting new financial era. Before we dive into the specifics of the best investments, it's important to understand why investing is more important than ever in 2025. In an ever-changing economic landscape marked by inflation, rising living costs, and shifting job markets, saving alone simply won't cut it anymore. Traditional savings accounts, even with high interest rates, fail to keep up with inflation, meaning your money is actually losing value over time. For millennials and Gen Z investors, 2025 presents a unique opportunity to build wealth. Economic globalization and technological advancements have made investment opportunities more accessible than ever, making it the perfect time for beginners to get involved. If you want your money to work for you, investing is the key. But here's the catch. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about strategy. So let's take a closer look at the top investment options that can help you take control of your financial future. When it comes to beginner-friendly investments, index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, should be at the top of your list. These funds are designed to track the performance of an underlying index such as the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, or other sector-specific indices. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you're automatically exposed to a diversified portfolio, meaning you're investing in a broad range of companies or industries within that index. Diversification. Investing in individual stocks can be risky because the performance of one stock can impact your entire portfolio. With index funds and ETFs, your money is spread across a variety of companies, which reduces risk. Even if one company performs poorly, others within the index might do better, balancing your overall returns. Low cost. Unlike actively managed mutual funds, index funds and ETFs typically have lower management fees, meaning a larger portion of your investment is working for you, not paying fund managers. This also makes them an ideal investment for beginners who are looking for cost-effective strategies. Long-term performance. Historically, index funds and ETFs tend to outperform actively managed funds in the long run. Because they track the performance of an index, they automatically adjust to market conditions, providing a reliable way to grow your wealth without the need for constant monitoring. Recommended funds. Look for low-cost funds that track major indices like the S&P 500, or even international indices if you want global exposure. Popular options include Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSX, or the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY. Real estate has always been a popular wealth-building tool, and for good reason. Unlike stocks, real estate tends to provide stability and long-term growth potential. While property values can fluctuate, they tend to appreciate over time, especially in strong housing markets. Whether you're looking to generate passive income or hold for long-term capital appreciation, real estate remains a tried and true investment strategy. Rental properties. Purchasing a rental property and renting it out can generate steady, passive income. Over time, your property will likely appreciate in value, meaning you can potentially sell for a profit down the line. Additionally, your tenants will help pay down the mortgage, further building your wealth. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. For beginners who may not have the capital to purchase physical properties, REITs provide an opportunity to invest in real estate without the headache of property management. REITs are publicly traded companies that own, operate, or finance real estate projects. When you invest in a REIT, you gain exposure to the real estate market through a liquid, diversified asset. Real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. This offers an accessible way to invest in real estate with smaller amounts of capital. Steady growth. Real estate often appreciates in value, even in times of inflation. With interest rates staying relatively low, now is a great time to invest in property or real estate-related investments. Passive income. Rental properties can provide consistent cash flow from tenants, making real estate a reliable source of passive income. Cryptocurrencies have evolved from a niche asset class to a mainstream investment category. While crypto remains volatile and speculative, it offers a glimpse into the future of finance and digital transactions. Cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins are reshaping how we view money, transactions, and financial systems. High return potential, cryptocurrencies have shown the potential for substantial gains, particularly for early investors. Bitcoin, for instance, has seen exponential growth since its inception, and new projects like Ethereum are also gaining popularity. Diversification. Cryptocurrencies are a unique asset class that doesn't correlate directly with traditional markets like stocks and bonds, making them a great option to diversify your portfolio. Long-term potential. With blockchain technology continuing to develop and cryptocurrencies becoming more widely accepted, the long-term growth potential is significant. Start with popular and established cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Use trusted platforms like Coinbase or Binance to buy and store your digital assets. Always practice caution. Cryptocurrencies are speculative, and market swings can be drastic. For those looking for a more hands-off investment strategy, dividend stocks are a fantastic option. These stocks come from well-established companies that regularly pay dividends to shareholders. This creates a passive income stream while you also benefit from potential capital appreciation. Consistent income. Dividend-paying companies provide regular payouts, which can be reinvested to buy more shares and create a compounding effect over time. Stability. Dividend-paying companies are typically well-established businesses with stable earnings, making them less volatile than growth stocks. Long-term growth. Over time, dividend stocks tend to grow both in terms of price and dividend payouts, providing an excellent way to build wealth over the long term. Robo-advisors have revolutionized the way people invest by automating the investment process. These platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Low fees. Robo-advisors have much lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors, making them a cost-effective way to invest. Convenience. Robo-advisors take the guesswork out of investing. Simply answer a few questions about your financial goals, and the platform handles the rest, from rebalancing your portfolio to adjusting your asset allocation as needed. For conservative investors, bonds are a safe and predictable investment choice. Bonds are debt securities where investors lend money to corporations or governments in exchange for regular interest payments. Stability. Bonds provide regular interest payments and are less volatile than stocks, making them a good option for investors seeking stability. Diversification. Bonds help balance out risk in a portfolio, especially for those holding stocks or cryptocurrencies that may be more volatile. The future of wealth building in 2025 is full of opportunities for those willing to take the plunge into investing. By diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, and other alternative investments, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Whether you're looking for passive income, long-term growth, or stability, there's an investment strategy that fits your goals. Remember, the key to successful investing is consistency, patience, and continuous learning. Start early, diversify your investments, and stay informed about market trends. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your investment goals for 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.